In this video, I am going to be showing you how to design an online banking platform with an intra-bank transfer. You can buy stock from this banking website, and you can also make purchases, make deposit, and make withdrawals using cryptocurrency. Now, right here on my screen, you're seeing this beautifully set up online banking platform. Now, this platform comes with a lot more features that you're going to love. Now, one of the cool features about this online platform, this online banking website you're seeing right here, is that you can make purchases of stock. Clients can request for virtual card. They can make limitless transfers, wire transfer, check transfer, whichever one you want to make. There is email and SMS notification on every transaction that is made, on everything, any action that is performed on this platform. Now, another good aspect of it is that this website comes with two themes. You can actually toggle on the white theme, and then you can toggle it back to the dark theme, just as you saw me right here. And here also you can see that the admin has full access to manage a lot of things from the admin. The admin can credit or debit users, just as you've seen here. The admin can make some bank transactions. You can see bank transactions, wire transactions, domestic transactions, credit transactions, and debit transactions. So guys, these are many more are some of the things you're going to be seeing in this video. Now, if this is the first time you're seeing any of our videos, we share educating videos of this sort, and the whole idea is to tell you some of the working things in the internet as a web developer you need to know. And the whole idea is that you're going to follow my steps in this video, and you're going to get that exact same result. So with that said, guys, let's get started. Yeah, so the very first segment of this video, I just want to show you I want to give you a walkthrough of how this online banking platform works. I want to be showing you all the features. I'm going to be performing that right here in this video. Now, afterwards, I'm going to be going over to show you how you can set this up for yourself, and then in real time, I'm also going to show you how to make money doing this as a web developer. And trust me guys, it's something that you're going to love to watch. So watch this video to the end, because that is the only way you're going to get my trick of actually making money with this as a web developer, because there are a lot more web developers out there, but the truth is, are you actually making money? So with this video, you can learn how to do that for yourself. And I'm also going to be telling you how to get access to this software that I'm going to be making use of in this video. So it's something that you should stay tuned, guys. So let's get started. Now, this is the admin end of this online banking platform. So you can see that it's fully developed. I built it with a very clean code, and you're not going to be getting any error whatsoever. Now, nothing is hidden in this video, and nothing is edited. So the same procedure you're seeing me follow through in this video, if you follow that. Okay guys, so before we proceed on the video, I want to make a quick disclaimer that whatever thing that is done in this video is solely for educational purpose, and we do not support any illegal stuff that is coming out from the use of this video. So we are just doing this video to show you some of the possible things that you can meet online as a web developer. So that's it guys, let's proceed. So that step and instructions in this video, you're going to get the exact same results just as you've seen in this video. Now let's proceed. Now the first thing I want to do is let's come over to the front end. Now this is the front end of this website. You can see that this is cool, and it has beautiful designs, just very responsive, and your client is going to love that, guys. So you see that, so it said helping you make the most of your money. That's cool. So I just want to show you, so everything is working perfectly. This is the home page, this is the about us page. I just want to give you a quick walkthrough and tell you some of the things obtainable from this software. So you see that, so this is actually something that is nice. So you can just come here and open an account. So you see accounts and stuff like that. So now let's leave this edge. So I just want to show you, so this is the admin end, this is how it looks, and now this is the client area. So I told you one of the features of this web script is that you can toggle on the themes. So this is the white theme, and you can also come here and you toggle it back to the dark mode. So this is cool, and I just want to log in right now. So from the front end here, I can just click here to log in. So right click and open it in a new tab. So that's cool. So now let me come here and log in. Now you can log in with the internet ID, or you can log in with your email access. And mind you, whatever thing, I've already created this account before this video, you understand? So I just made this so that this video won't take a long time, and we are going to get this set up right here. So now I've created an account already, so I'm just going to log on to the account, and this is my email and this is my password. Yeah, so let me try logging in now. Whoa, so it went through. So this is my uploaded image. So take your time. So it's asking me for my 4-digit verification code. You see that this comes with a full functional um online banking experience. You understand? So after logging into my bank account, just like any bank you can make use of, is a cool software. It's asking me to put my 4-digit code verification. So I'm just going to do that now. 1 2 3 4. That's okay. I'm going to click on verify. And wow, guys, you can see that I've logged onto my account right now. And you see that actively here I have $5,990 in my account. So you see that this is in the dark mode. So let's just see if we want to change this to the light mode. So just take your time and go through this stuff. So let me do that. So you can see that it has come back to the white mode. So now let me just give you an overview of what you're seeing here. So you can see that I have a total balance of 5,990 and I'm on a current account, and this is the limit of my account. You see that? So I've actually done a wire transfer of $1,000. I've done a credit. I've received a credit of $7,000. So now I'm going to be explaining every part of this before this video ends. So just follow my steps, and I just want to make this fun. So remember, yeah, before now I told you that this online banking software has the features of you being able to buy stocks. So right here on the client's dashboard, you can just come here to this icon. It has a very nice mobile responsive view. So if you are viewing it on your mobile, it also looks just like an online banking application. Just so let me come to this stocks. So from here now, you can actually purchase stocks. So I don't have any stocks already because I have not created that from the admin. So I'm going to be doing that now, and you can see now another part of it is that clients can request loan, because this is just a client account, and you can see that I can request for a loan. And let's just see how that works. So let me see if I want to request for a loan at the moment. So let me go to new loan. And how much do I want? I want $15,000 worth of loan. And what do I want to use this loan for? Let's say I want to use it for investment. So this is the reason for my collecting this loan from the bank. So once I do this, the admin is going to receive this loan request and is going to process it. So let me just click on proceed right now. Wow, it says okay, preview transaction, and I'm going to click on proceed. Who is asking me for my 4-digit verification code 1 2 3 4, and I click on confirm transaction. Yeah, you will be redirected in 15 seconds, and yeah, transaction is processing. So let's wait for that. So let me just go back again. Let me go back to my home. So this is my dashboard. I've requested for a loan. Now another best part of this is that you can request for a virtual card. Your clients can request for a virtual card, and this virtual card can be sent to them. So let me just do that right here on my account. So you see that my cards, and it looks just exactly as the MasterCard of any bank whatsoever. You understand? So this is my account balance. I have 5,000 in this account. This is my card number. This is the expiry date of my account, and this is my CCV. You see that? So I just want to see if I can request for a card from my admin. So you see, this is my credit card, and debit card is disabled. You see that? So now let's go back to the admin. Let's come back to the admin and let's confirm that loan application. So you see that loan transactions. So let's come to loan transactions, and you see that there is a transaction processing, and I've not approved it from admin. So it's 15,000 worth of loan. So let me just click on view, and now this is the part where I told you that the admin has full access to whatever thing that is performed on this platform. You see, now the client has requested for a loan worth of $15,000. Now the admin can decide not to accept this loan. Now you're seeing right here that I have accept, I have hold, and then I have decline, just like a bank application. Now you see that the admin can accept this, the admin can hold this, and the admin can decline it. And it's another tricking part for you guys. Now with this thing, now you can see that the admin can accept this, hold it, and then decline it. Understand? So if I accept this now, transaction updated successfully. Wow, transaction completed. So let's come back to the client area, and let's refresh the account. I was having $5,000, so let's refresh that and see if our loan has come through. let me come back here. Transaction completed. Well, you can see that the transaction now is completed. So now let's come back to the admin. Transaction is completed. So you see, dear user test, this is to inform you that okay, has been approved successfully. You see, it says now the status is transaction is completed. Now another thing I want to show you is that from the admin now, the admin can credit a user, and admin can also deduct money from the account of the user. Now let's go to credit users. Now you're going to select the user you want to credit. So my account is what is the name of my account? So let me come back here. Settings. Okay, yeah, this is the name of my account. So let me come back to the admin and select users, and I select my name. So sender's name, let's say the sender's name is David Fred. So this money is coming from David Fred, and the amount is, let's say, $500. Description is the description of the payment. Why is this person sending this money to you? The person is sending it for, let's say, utility, something like that. Utility. Yeah, and the date for this sending is as at the time of recording this video, today is 4th of April. So this is 4th April 2024. So I'm going to credit user. Okay, account fund successfully. Now let's come back to this client account and let's do a refresh and see if that's $500. Wow, you can see that my $500 has added, and I now have $6,000 in my account. Now let's come back here. So you can see that is how to do that. Now let's say you want to debit a client. So I was having 6,000 here. So let's say I want to debit my account of $1,000. So select sender's name, same name. So I want to make it today's date. Amount is $1,000. So description is utility, and I click on debit. You're going to see that they are going to deduct $1,000 from my account. So let's refresh this, and you see, wow, you can see that I have 5,000 now. So it's working perfectly. So I'm just taking my time to show you how this works and to show you that it's something you can try out, guys. So now you can see that this is where you can manage all the virtual cards. So you see that virtual card I requested is here. So now let's come here and view. Let me click on this view. So you see that this, I can process that card that I requested. Remember, I requested for a virtual card, so I can process it. I can hold it from admin, and then I can activate the card. So first we need to process the card. Credit card on hold successfully. So let's come back here and click on hold. So let's click on activate the card. Whoa, so the card is active right now. So the client, when we go over, you can see that the client can make use of that credit card for any store. So now you can see that here you can manage all the users. So you can see all the users, all the already registered users in the account. So let's come back to this place. SMTP. Whenever you log on to your admin, the first thing you need to do is you need to make some necessary settings so that this is going to enable you to receive email on whatever action that is performed here on the website. So now let's say, for instance, once after setting it up, you come down here and do some settings. So let's come to system settings. Now you need to set up your system name, you need to set the phone number, you need to fees for wire transfer, system currency, loan limit. So all these things you need to just take your time. And this party wise config, this one is for when you want to receive SMS for any transaction. So you can turn on, activate COT, billing code, and all of that. So this is where you upload your logo. So after doing that, you click on save settings, and everything will be saved for you. And then the next thing to do is SMTP. Most importantly, you need this SMTP because if you don't set it up properly, you are not going to be getting emails on any stuff you do. Now on this display name, you put your bank name, the account, the SMTP host, you put your domain name. The SMTP secure is SSL, and the port is 465. The SMTP username is the email. So you need to learn how to create email for yourself. I'm going to be showing you that whenever we log on to the cPanel end. So the email is coming from, and you're going to put the password right here. So if that's said, guys, let's proceed. So these are some of the few things you need to see right here from the admin. So you can see that this is cool. This is the client's dashboard, and this is the admin end, and this is the admin end, and this is the front end looking beautiful and nice. So guys, I want to be moving to the next segment. In this segment, I'm going to be showing you how to get your servers ready to deliver this work to your client. Okay guys, so in this segment, what you need to set up this website is your domain name and your hosting. Now with these two you can actually start setting up your website. So let's say for instance you got your domain name and hosting from any registrar, for instance, is good. So any one of them is good. So you can try Namecheap. So Namecheap is one of the registrars out there that you can use to get your domain name and hosting. So let's say we want to search for a name. So if you search for a name is available, you can use it for your bank, and then you purchase a hosting. And after doing that, this registrar, which is Namecheap, they are going to send you an email. So this email is going to have your cPanel login username and password. So it is with this username and password that we can now log into the cPanel of our website, and then from there we can start building our website. So now once you've logged onto your cPanel, you are going to be seeing something exactly as what you're seeing on my screen right here. So now let me take you back. So this is the exact thing you are going to be seeing whenever you log onto your cPanel. So from here now you can start uploading your web script and whatever thing you need to set this up right for your client. So once you're here, just locate file manager. If you can't see it from this side, just come here and search for it, but here is mine. So I just click on file manager and it's loading up for me. So once it loads up, so you're seeing some of these servers here because I already have an existing work in this server. So what you have to do is just come back to your cPanel here and create a subdomain. So once you create a subdomain, let's come to domains. So once you create a subdomain, you can now upload this website script to that end. So I've already created a subdomain, and this is the subdomain I just created. So this is the subdomain right here. So just come here, click on create a new domain, and you can create a subdomain for yourself. So I've already created mine, and I just want to come down here and then I open the domain. So this is the subdomain I just created. So once you've created your subdomain, next thing you should do is remember I told you I'm going to be telling you how to have access to this software before the end of this video. So I just have to come here and click on upload, and I'm click on select files. So downloads, I have that in my download. So this is the zip. So don't worry, I'm going to tell you how to get access to this website script before the end of this video. So while that is uploading, guys, you just have to chill out and wait for it to upload, and then we are going to proceed to the next step. So our script is uploaded, and once it's uploaded, you wait for it to turn green, so it's 100%. So I'm going to come back to my subdomain. So I'm going to reload it right here, and wow, this is the zip I just uploaded. So I'm just going to right click on it, and I'm going to click on extract. So extract files. So while that is doing, you need to create a database. So well, let's just wait for that to extract, and then we are going to take it bit by bit. So guys, if you're getting value from this video already, I want you to give this video a thumbs up, and there is a subscribe button below this video. I want you to subscribe to this channel because this is the only way YouTube is going to show you this sort of educating stuff from us whenever we upload it. And guys, I want to see you succeed. So let's continue. Our script has extracted, and I'm going to close that. So this is the folder that was just extracted. So follow my procedure and make sure that you don't skip any part, because the whole idea for making this video is so that you are going to watch me step by step do this, and you are going to follow my procedures, and then you get the exact same result. Now remember that aside from showing you the functionalities of this website, the next step was you get your domain name, you get your hosting, and you get these web scripts already. So once you've gotten them, you log into your cPanel. From there, you upload this script to a subdomain. Make sure you create a subdomain, upload this website script to that subdomain, extract it, and if you've extracted it, we should be at the same pace. Now once after extracting, you've opened the folder. So I'm just going to click on select all now, and I'm going to move. Where are we moving to? We are moving it into the subdomain that we created. So I'm going to click on move files. Wow, so it has been moved for me. So now let me open the folder. So you see that the folder has other stuff right here. So now once after uploading, you're going to see that we have a setup guide right here. So we have an installation guide. So let me right click and edit that. So this installation guide could help you also upload it. So it says how to upload the script. You can see that right here. It says download and extract the files from the public directory or subfolder, create a database, import the database SQL file, and happy editing. So let's get that done. So we've done the first segment, we've downloaded and extracted the file, and now we are going to create a database, and then we're going to import our file. So now for you to create a database, come back to your cPanel. Yeah, so this is my cPanel, and you're going to come down to databases, and this here right now. So you just have to select my SQL database wizard. That is the one you should select. Now I'm going to click and select that. Whoa, so since it's the bank that we are creating, I just want to give it a related name to that for my database. So let's just say BNKK DDBB, something like that. So let me click on next step. Yeah, that database was created. So my username, I can say BNKK user, something like that. So now let's go to generate a password. So this password is good for me. I'm going to copy it, and after copying it, you say I have copied this password, and then you say use password. Now if that's okay, you click on create user. Now make sure that all the details you're getting from this database, you're keeping it in a notepad so that you can actually use it afterwards. So let me open my notepad right now, and I'm going to paste that password. So this is my database username and password. You just have to copy that and paste, because we are going to need it for the configuration and setup of this server. So yeah, that's cool. So this is my opened notepad. So I'm not going to Control V and paste that. So if you've done that, just click on all privileges, and then you click on next step. So let's wait for that to load. Wow, that's cool. So you see that, let's come back to our installation guide, and it says create a database and import the SQL file. Now for you to get your SQL file to upload to the database, come back to your folder. You're going to see an SQL folder right here. Once you open it, you're going to see rosano db.sql. So it's an SQL file that we are going to download and then upload it to our PHP myadmin for us to get our website running. So this is my downloads. I'm just going to click on save now. So yeah, it's downloaded for me. So now for us to upload it, just as we've seen in the installation guide, I just have to come back here and come back to my cPanel. I'm just going to locate PHP myadmin. Okay, yeah, so you're going to see some stuffs right here. The database we just created, bnkddbb. So you see that it's empty. So now we are going to import that SQL file I just downloaded right now. So here it is. So I'm just going to double click on it, and then I'm going to click on import. So we are just going to take a while, and this is going to import that SQL. Wow, successfully it has done that for us. Now you can see that. So now let's come back to the installation guide. It says how to set up SMTP. So I've shown you how to do that from the admin. Okay, now so after doing this, now our website should be ready and good to go. So you've seen that demo users, and this is for you to log into your admin. So it is your subdomain /admin and then /login.php. So let's do that right now. So this is the details for the admin login. So now let's come to a new browser. I'm just going to search for the subdomain where I uploaded my backend file to. Just do that right away. So I'm just going to search for that now. So bank, so I just uploaded it to a bank subdomain. So I'm not going to hit enter. Whoa, guys, this is loading up. So you can see that our website is loading up a little quick. So guys, if you followed my procedure, you should be at this same page with me, you understand? So you can see that my website is cool right here, and everything is as responsive as I showed you earlier on. I showed you this exact interface while we were at the early stages of this video. So that's cool, and I now want to log into my admin. So from this installation guide here, this is the link for my admin. So I am going to put my subdomain slash my subdomain dot my domain name .com/admin/login .php. So let's get that done. So your subdomain dot your domain name.com/admin/login.php. So don't get that confused, because if you don't do it and load a different link, so I'm just going to, you can see the write up in my screen. So that is what you're going to do, /admin/login.php. Okay guys, so you can see that this is my admin URL and it has loaded up. So you can see that I have my email here and I have my password. So now let's come back to the installation guide and let's get my email and password. So this is my email and this is my password. So if you set up everything successfully, you should be at the same pace with me. So you can see that you can be at the same pace with me. Now I told you that I don't want this video to stay long, so I've shown you most of the functionalities from the beginning of this video. Now, and I told you that I'm going to be telling you how to get money from this tutorial before the end of this video, guys. And I've actually showed this to many of my students and they're actually making cool cash from that. Now imagine that you get from here. I want you to start advertising and marketing yourself as a web developer. Go over to your social media, go over to your WhatsApp and whatever social media you're on, you understand, just post and start telling people that yeah, you're a web developer and you can handle their web projects, you understand. Start telling them that you can do online banking for them, you can do whatever kind of website for them. And guys, bet me, if you do that for 1 month, there is no way you're not going to get at least 2 clients who are ready to pay you minimum of 300k, you understand, to get this work delivered to them. Get this work sealed with them, you come back to us and then you get this website script from us, and with it you can deliver this work to your clients. Now I told you I'm going to be telling you how to get access to this website script. Now if you have 50k, I want you to message us. There is a WhatsApp number, is going to be at the description of this video. So go to the description, you're going to get some cool features about this website, some more explanation about this, and then you're going to see our WhatsApp number in the description of this video. So message us on WhatsApp and then be rest assured that you have access to this website script for just 50,000 naira. So guys, start marketing yourself as a web developer and I want to see you succeed. Thank you guys. I'm going to see you in our next video.